Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make a TikTok account. So let's just continue to TikTok app. Here you can see in the bottom right your profile option. Just click on your profile option. Now here you can see sign up option. Just click on sign up. Now in the bottom you can see don't have an account option and sign up with red. Click on sign up. You can sign up using your phone or email. You can also continue with Facebook and continue with Google. I'm just using my email. After giving email, click on next. Now here you can see a create password. You need to create a strong password using minimum 8 characters. A letter and a number must be in the password, and a special character just like hashtag, question mark, etc. I'm just creating a password, just hold a second. So after creating the password, click on next, the red button. Now you can put your birthday here. After giving your birthday, you can give a nickname. Now click on confirm. After confirming, you can see the TikTok ID is created. So guys, this is how can you create a TikTok ID. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.